Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious curry buns at home. First, let's prepare the dough. You'll need bread flour, warm milk, and active dry yeast. Start by activating your yeast in warm milk with a small amount of sugar. Once foamy, combine it with the flour and other dough ingredients. Knead the mixture for about 10 minutes until it forms a smooth, pliable dough. This ensures a soft and fluffy bun texture. Next, let's create the flavorful curry filling. Begin by sautéing diced onions and your choice of ground meat until it's beautifully browned. Then, add in your favorite curry powder, a tablespoon of flour, and some chicken broth to create a rich, thick sauce. Remember to season the filling with salt, pepper, and a touch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Allow it to cool completely before filling your buns. Now for the fun part, assembling your curry buns. Take your risen dough and divide it into 12 equal portions, aiming for about 50 grams each. Flatten each piece into a 4-inch circle. Place 2 tablespoons of your cooled curry filling in the center. Carefully gather the edges of the dough and pinch them together tightly to seal the filling inside. Then, gently shape each into a smooth, round bun. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your homemade curry buns. Let your shaped buns rise for 30 minutes in a warm place until they are slightly puffed. Before baking, brush the tops with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, or until golden brown. Serve these delicious curry buns warm and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.